This is actually a boy's step. Girls also do this too, but if you are a girl trying to do the pa'oti, we move our hips. Pa'oti actually means scissors in Tahitian. So we're going to bend our knees, okay? Back is nice and straight, and we're just going to lift our heels up while bending your knees, okay? We're not going to bounce up and down, and you're going to keep our shoulders nice and steady. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring our legs out and in. Back in the days when they did hivinaos, they would have fun with it and move their shoulders. But we're going to try, Christina, to move our hips. So our hips are just going to do the Tahiti tamau while we're doing our pa'oti, once again, which means scissors. So bending your knees. That's how it goes. Okay.